Parkinson's disease is the second most common neurodegenerative disorder after Alzheimer's. Today, 10 million people worldwide live with Parkinson's disease. What is Parkinson's disease? Let's look inside the brain. Dopamine is a chemical released by neurons in the brain to send signals to other neurons. It is a neurotransmitter that plays a vital role in the brain and body, from thinking to coordinating our movement. In Parkinson's disease, neurons that make dopamine stop working well and can die. We do not fully understand why this happens. But when dopamine signals die, Parkinson's symptoms emerge, and this is accompanied by chronic inflammation. The brain is made up of many different cell types, including neurons and immune cells. Immune cells, called microglia, make up 15% of the brain. These cells normally protect us from infections and remove toxins that can build up. However, as we age, our immune system can become overactivated, which drives inflammation and damages the brain. The brain is in some ways on fire. Current treatments on the market help people living with Parkinson's to manage and ease their symptoms, but there's no cure available. At Infographic, we want to move beyond managing symptoms and instead focus on what we believe is one of the key causes of the disease: inflammation. We hope to slow progression of Parkinson's disease by allowing our microglia to once again clear neurotoxins from the brain, as they did when we were young. We have uncovered a key process that drives the progression of Parkinson's disease that involves a danger sensor in our immune cells called the NLRP3 inflammasome. When the NLRP3 inflammasome is activated by buildup of toxins in the brain, this leads to chronic inflammation, which damages our neurons. Inflammasome small molecule drugs, which could be taken as a pill, inhibit the NLRP3 inflammasome and block this activation pathway. This can stop the chronic cycle of inflammation in the brain, leading to a regrowth of neurons and higher levels of dopamine. Our drug could potentially cool the brain that is on fire. Infographic is developing investigative drug candidates, and we hope to drive this discovery through to clinical trials. Infographic, targeted therapies for inflammatory diseases.